Hey, when Jamie and I first got married, she bought a whole bunch of plants, like 100 of them online. You know, the ones in the picture that look like they're full grown, but when you get them, they're like the size of your finger. And her plan was just out in the yard to dig a hole, and she just started putting them in the ground.
It's true. I did that.
We do things a little differently now. We took the sod out, put down some driveway fabric, and I'll show you how we planted these blueberries. Blueberries, you got to make the hole at least 3 times bigger, and blueberries like well-drained soil. This clay is going to be like a bucket. So here's what I was talking about when I dug the blueberry holes. We had a big rainstorm last night. So this is where Milo buries his glass casserole dishes. But you can see these holes. It's been probably almost a whole day and it's still just a bucket of water, right, bud? Oh. Every time I come over here to say hi to Milo, the guineas run over to warn me. Don't go into the tall grass! Every time. They're like, hey, it's dangerous in there. You're safe. See, we're safe. So I'm going to fill it with some soil. I dug it down with the post hole digger. So hopefully it'll drain well. You want more homestead videos like this? Subscribe. That's perfect. Just sprinkle it. So my oldest is taking our Vitamix compost and she's just kind of feeding the inside of the hole. We'll see. Just organic food for these blueberries. I use some organic potting mix just in the base, and you saw me dig the holes straight down with the auger. The idea is that 4-foot tunnel of loose clay, we kind of dug it out, will work like a drain because blueberries like well-drained soil. So I'm hoping this isn't, because if I were to just leave this, it would just be a bucket because clay it's such a slow drain. See Gimpy in the back there? He decided he was going to take on a Turkish Kangol. And thankfully, I saw the fight in the first 30 seconds and was able to save his life. Here you go, boys. So Gimpy right there tried to take on this guy. It's like, hey, I think I can jump over here and take on a Turkish Kangol. It's an acid-loving fertilizer because these guys like acid soil, acidic. Great job, kid. I mean, look at that. It's just food, dehydrated. Probably avocado, banana. Smells like food. But this little guy in the corner, because I don't want him to be shadowed. Remember the lemonade one we had at the old place? It never got huge. And these guys, they get 8 foot by 8 foot. We got Titan here, 5 to 7 tall, 4 to 6 wide. This is going to be, yeah, 8 and 8. This is the big dog. We'll put him in the back corner. All right, so we got our soil, our organic, and our fertilizer. And we got this from Pike, and it looks like they got fertilizer on the top, so I'm not probably going to add any more. If you roll these buckets, it's easier to get them out. I'm going to save this bucket and use it in the greenhouse. Ever get it built? I was at Home Depot. I was like, what's your cheapest bag of mulch? Like, are you getting a bunch? Like, oh, for blueberry bushes. I was like, why, you hinting at a sale? And he said, bring your baseball bat. Like, why? Fight people off. Like, okay, I'll wait. When is that? It's this week. I'm curious. I gotta go check. We need a little bit more around that. Go strong, little lemonade blueberry. And these are all the Remember Pops, so I hope they produce a bunch. Hope they're not worthless like he was. Just kidding. Wait, what's half a blueberry look like? Is that right? What's half a blueberry look like? Half a blueberry? No. What's the other half of a blueberry look like? Half a blueberry? No, yeah, that's good. What's the best thing to put in a blueberry pie? Your teeth. Hey, the Carls are coming to warn me about Milo, I think. Should I not go in there, guys?